Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading higher after the Federal Reserve announced a much anticipated 0.25% increase in interest rate as looming concerns over the US banking sector continue to drive investors to crypto heaven. Bitcoin reclaimed the $29,000 crucial mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.4% at 39,430 points. Cryptocurrency markets saw a spike in prices as Los Angeles-based PacWest Bank crashed by around 60% this week. PacWest debacle reminds of similar events experienced in the past, notably being the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and First Republic Bank. Banking crisis has proved a boon for cryptocurrency markets. In the month of April, JP Morgan had said that in a report, current banking crisis is a vindication for the crypto ecosystem. The analyst then pointed out that the crisis exposed the weaknesses of the traditional financial system, given that the bank's maturity mismatch is susceptible to bank runs. In other news, Bitcoin requests for comment or BRC20 tokens built with the help of ordinals which stored on the Bitcoin-based chain skyrocketed more than 600% in a week with more than 8,500 tokens minted. However, the experimental creation of BRC20 token standard was introduced in early March to facilitate the issue and transfer of fungible tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain, analysts said. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around the $1.20 trillion mark, increasing 1.4% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 24% to $42 billion. Analysts have pointed out the ongoing banking crisis in the US as another driver of crypto prices that counterbalances the Fed's ongoing interest rate hikes. Investors will eye Friday's US employment numbers, but the prospect of another bank failure before that is expected to drive the price of crypto higher, analysts said. Going forward, market participants will also focus on initial jobless claims, which is scheduled later in the day. However, jobless claims data is expected to come around 240,000 versus previous jobless data of 230,000. The US dollar index, which is a relative measure of US dollar's strength against a basket of foreign currencies, was at 101.32 points, down 0.3%. Stock futures were unchanged after the Federal Reserve hiked interest rates by another 25 basis points. Investors also grappled with returning contagion fears in the regional bank space. Futures linked to the S&P 500 were trading flat. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 10 points and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.25%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,232, up 2%. Following the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates by 25 basis points, Bitcoin regained its strength and surpassed the $29,000 crucial levels. However, the Federal Reserve further indicated that this week's increase could be the last for the time being. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2.5%, trading at $1,911. On my left, BNB was up by 1% to trade at $326. Solana Sol was up 3.2% and was trading at $22.4. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was up by 2.5% to trade at $0.39. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17.1, higher 2%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.8% to trade at $1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1.5% at $0.079. And Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.8%. Ripple 6RP token traded at $0.46, up by 1%. Polkadot was also up by 1.5% to trade at $5.8. And now let's move on to our technical analyst, Mr. Kunal Paral, for his technical views on the cryptocurrency market.
If I talk about Bitcoin, okay, right now Bitcoin is trading at 29,190. Okay, and waste Bitcoin has been trading above its 50 mm. It suggests that trend is up and we may see a further upside movement in the counter. So overall picture at this level, if you talk about Bitcoin on a broader time frame, then it seems that Bitcoin has formed its bottom on a weekly chart, and after forming a bottom, right now Bitcoin is trading above its 50 weeks moving average as well. So this particular part is indicating an upside movement in the near term. Not only this, if you talk about past also, whenever Bitcoin tried to move above its 50 MA, we had seen a good upside movement afterwards. So same replicate movement at this level we can expect in the Bitcoin as well. Not only this, if we talk about daily chart as well, then on daily chart, Bitcoin has been trading in higher top, higher bottom formation, which is a continuation formation, particularly on upside level. So this part also indicates a good upside movement in the counter. Overall, if we talk about the level of Bitcoin, right now it is trading at 29175. Downside, good support, strong support comes at 26945. Now, as per the volatility, this would be the perfect support, 26945. While if you talk about resistance side, then above resistance comes at 32375, 32,375. If Bitcoin sustain above this level, then we can see good upside movement, further upside movement up to the level of 37,350. So overall, if you talk about Bitcoin, then movement is positive side. We can see a very good upside movement in the Bitcoin. Any fall up to the level of 28,500 would become a good buying opportunity. With strict SL, which we just just tell you. Now other side, if you talk about Ethereum is trading at 1903.50. Now same replicate movement that we are seeing in Bitcoin, same replicate movement we are seeing in Ethereum as well. On a weekly chart, Ethereum is trading above its 50 week. Not only this, it seems that Ethereum has formed its bottom as well. And it took support where it formed its previous bottom somewhere around 5th July 2022. So same replicate movement we are expecting afterwards. Now at this level, if you talk about daily chart, then on a daily chart, Ethereum also trading above, trading in its higher top, higher bottom formation. And it is a continuation formation, so we can say good upside movement would be there on a daily chart. So overall picture of technically, if we talk, then one can go for long, based on the current scenario of the technical, because based on the current structure of the technical. If you talk about the support level, where support comes and where resistance comes, then at this level, good support comes at somewhere around 1800. Now right now it is trading at 1903. So 1800 would become a good support. If you talk about upper side, then upper side 2300 could become a good resistance level. And if Ethereum break above this level, if sustain above this level, then 2400 would be there. So as per the risk reward parameter, it looks like very lucrative for going long in Ethereum. So both Bitcoin and Ethereum both looks good on weekly chart and on daily chart with good chart pattern. So we can say it's looking good for long side.
Thank you, Mr. Kunal Parar, for sharing your technical views on the cryptocurrency market. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.